18.
18.
1,
1,
9,
9,
19.
19.
2, 0, 20.
3,
2 0
2, 0,
listen
2, 0, 20.
2 0 சொல்லு
1, 0, 20.
1 0
1,
10 okay
0, 20.
2 0
2,
20
0,
1,
20.
0, 20.
2,
2
2,
0
0.
20
20.
Okay, thank you, Ananya. Next is Visha. Visha.
விஷா நம்பர் சொல் பாப்பா சொல்லு லைனா சொல்லு
1,
1,
mm,
2,
mm,
3,
mm,
4,
mm,
5,
mm,
3,
mm.
1,
7
7, mm,
6,
8
8,
ம்
9,
mm,
ம்
mm. Sorry.
10.
ம்
1, 0, 10.
1, 0, 10.
Very good, ma Visha. Thank you. We'll finish first 1 to 10. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Okay, Taruneshwar is not there. Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am. Now.
Is there a Taruneshwar? Come on,
Yeah,
read.
yes, ma'am.
1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
How will you say 10? How will you say 10? 1, 0, 10.
10.
When road counting only, you should say 10, 11, 12 like that. But while reading the numbers read பண்ணும்போது 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. அதை மாதிரி தான் படிக்கணும். Okay, thank you, Mata Aruneshwar. Next is Mitra. Mitra.
One,
Mm.
1, 2,
Mm.
3,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
6,
Mm.
7,
Mm.
8,
Mm.
9,
Mm.
10.
10, how will you pronounce? எப்படி சொல்லணும் 10?
11,
1, 0, 10.
1, 0, 10.
That's it. Thank you, Ma Mitra. Radhyani. Radhyani.
சொல்லுடா
14.
சொல்லு
Yes, ma'am.
1. Come on, read the numbers. 1.
1,
Mm.
3,
2.
2,
This one.
4,
3
3,
Uh,
4,
uh,
5,
uh.
8,
This one.
8,
Uh, uh.
9,
Mm.
10,
1, 0, 10.
1, 0,
1,
10.
0, 10. Very good, Ma Radhyani. Thank you so much. Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv Gautam. 1.
Finish na.
Finished.
என்ன சொன்ன?
Finished. No chocolate today. If you are not reading, no chocolate. Come on. 1.
சொல்லுங்க. வரிசையா சொல்லுங்க. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Super. 7.
8,
Super.
9, 10.
1, 0, 10.
1, 0, 10.
Very good. 1, 0, 10. Thank you so much. Kavi Kartika. Parents, I need any 10 countable objects. Can be any nuts, small objects. Any 10. Groundnuts, cashew nut, badam, chocos, chocolates. Whatever you have, you can bring. Pencils or crayons, whatever you have. 10 I need.
5,
Mm.
6,
Mm.
7,
Mm.
8,
Mm. 9. 1, 0, 10.
1, 0, 10.
Why don't you look at the screen? Where are you looking at? எங்க பார்த்து பதில் சொல்றீங்க கவி கார்த்திகா? ஸ்கிரீனை பாருங்க. 1 0 10.
1 0 10.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூமா கவி கார்த்திகா. விஹான்
1
விஹான்
0 10.
Yeah, first so.
வாட் ஸ்ட்ரைட் அவே 1 0 10
1
ம்
4 5 6 7 8 9
ம்
1
1 0 10.
1 0 10.
1 0 10.
Very good, ma Vihan. Keshav.
Four.
Only 10, not 11 to 20. We'll learn afterwards. 1.
1
Don't drag it, Keshav.
3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
1 0 10.
1 0 10.
Very good, ma Keshav.
1 even 1 2 12 1
That's it. We'll learn afterwards, okay? Keshav, I'll teach you, Keshav. I'll teach you today, okay? Next is Dashwan. Yeah, welcome, Keshav.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10.
Very good. Thank you so much, Madhashwan. Children, did all of you color your calendar 10 and 11? Welcome, Kana. Did all of you color? Jason. Jason. Come on, finish, Jason.
Solo 1 to 3.
1.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
1.
1 0 10.
Ma'am,
1
Ma'am,
0
ask
10.
them,
Okay.
1 0 10.
Very good, ma Jason. Parents, please be ready with 10 countable objects, whatever it can be. Yes, ma. Rudvin, come on, read, ma.
இங்க பாரு சொல்லு 1
Point out and say. 1.
3
3
இது
4
இது
5
இது
6
இது
7
இது
8
இது
9
இது
10.
1 0
1 0 10.
10. Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, ma. Rudvin. Mahilini is there. Mahilini, Madhuvanti.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Mahilini, read the numbers. Good morning, Mahilini. Why you didn't wish ma'am today? I'm searching you. What? Amma went to office today. Okay, Mahilini, let her calm down. No issues. Madhuvanti, come on, read the numbers, ma. Madhuvanti is not there. Mahilini, will you read the numbers? Come on, at least till 5. Good girl, no? I'll give you chocolate today. Come on. Chocolate tara, ma'am, vaanga. Chocolate kudukalama Mahiliniki. Come on. Good girl. 1.
நீ சொன்ன முடிச்சா மாமா ஆபீஸ் காமிக்கிறேன் சொல்லு அப்படி சொல்லு
1.
சொல்லுடா நீ சொல்லு
Touch the screen and say 1.
உனக்கு தான் நீ அது சொல்லுடா அங்க பாத்து
Next.
சொல்லு
Yeah, 1 minute, ma Madhuvanti.
5 6 7 8 9. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, ma Madhuvanti. Now you proceed, ma Mahilini.
ரவுண்டா சொல்லு 10 மறுபடியும் சொல்லு மேம் 1 0 10 சொல்லு
1 0 10.
Very good. Well done. Thank you, Madhuvanti and Mahilini. Yes, children. Did you all color the calendar dates, children? 10 and 11. Did you all color it? Come on, show me. Show it to ma'am. Let me see. Who else didn't color? Very good. Vihan colored. Good. Tarneshwar, good. I told you on Friday itself, right? that you have to color day 10 and 11. You all forgot, ah? Sri Ananya, good. Colored, very good. Sukriv Gautam, did you color? Lift and show me. Very good. Most of you have colored, ah? Good. Well done. Well done, and thank you so much. Now all of you stand up. Let's start our session with Kids Anthem. Come on, stand up all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Keshav, Kids Anthem Keshav. Ready?
Madhuvanti 1, 2, 3 சொல்றாங்க மேம்.
Madhuvanti finished, right? I heard what Madhuvanti said. Before Marilini, Madhuvanti only finished.
Okay மேம்.
Yeah, thank you. Come on, Keshav. Join your hands and close your eyes. Kids Anthem. You are within me.
Adami.
You are infinite.
Adami.
You are unique.
Adami.
My potential inside.
My potential.
You are the wings
Adami.
beneath my flight.
In my fire.
You define me.
You decide me.
My potential inside.
My potential.
Today I pledge
Today, yes,
with all my might.
down
I shall achieve you.
I shall you
My potential inside.
my potential inside.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much. Good morning, children. Come on, unmute yourself. A loud good morning. A big good morning. Good morning, everyone. With a smile. Come on, I want to see all of your smile. A big smile. Come on, where is your smile, everyone? Yes, 2 days ma'am didn't see you and you children are not at all laughing. யாருமே சிரிக்க மாட்டீங்க. Come on, smile. I want to see all of you smiling. Yeah, that's so sweet of Taruneshwar. எப்படி சிரிக்கணும்? Yeah, thank you so much, children. Come on, get ready for the warm-up activity. Thank you. Stand up, all of you.
What's going on?
Yes, all of you can go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on.
அவங்க போட்டோ காமிச்சோன்னா நீங்க என்ன சொல்லணும் ஹியர் ஐ எனக்கு தெரியும்ல.
Very good, Madhashwan. Next. Hazel. Hazel. Hazel is not there, absent. Okay, next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Makeshav. Hazel. Hazel. You only come and say, here I am.
Say here I am. Say no. No? Say
Here
here I
I
am.
am. Very good. She said, here I am, she said. Okay, next. Very good, Radhyani. Next.
Oh, here. I am.
Very good, Rudvin. Thank you, Rudvin. Sarah is absent. Next. Very good, Ananya. Next. Sukriv Gautam, are you looking at the screen? Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Next. Very good, Visha. Next. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Next. Oh my God. Very good, Mailini. Next. Very good, Mitra. Next. Very good, Taruneshwar. Next. Varsha. Varsha. Okay, next. Vihan. Okay. Next. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Good girl. Okay, ma'am is going to come back. Yes, ma. Yes, do you all know the mummy daddy rhymes? Yes, how many of you knows? Lift your hands. How many of you knows to sing mummy daddy rhyme? I know to sing mummy daddy rhyme. How many of you knows? Mitra, then nobody knows, Dharneshwar, then Ananya, then Keshav, Tashwan. Okay, I'll call you children. Just raise your hands, those who know to sing mummy daddy, I love you. Who knows to sing? Yeah, today. Yeah, very good. Hazel, come on, sing Hazel. Mummy, daddy, mummy, daddy.
I love you. Love me too. Love me. But this is a place in the Grandmother is a place.
Yeah, grandmother.
You're so sweet. You play, huh?
I want to be
I'll give you a hug and.
Okay, you say.
Okay. I'll not say.
Okay, come.
You said grandma, let's all play. How grandma will play? Huh?
Okay.
How grandpa will play?
Okay, it's okay, right? Come.
Hazel.
See,
Okay,
mommy
very
is
good,
coming.
Hazel, very good. Thank you so much, Hazel. Sorry, Hazel, to interrupt you. Sorry. Ma'am is very, very sorry. Yes? Sorry. Okay, next is Ananya. Sing the rhyme, Ananya.
சொல்லு.
It's careful.
I love you.
I tell you. It's okay.
You love
You
me.
love me too. You love me too.
Nice meet you.
Brother, sister.
Better sister, play. It's a
Sing and
Sing
dance.
and dance.
dance.
Laugh and prance.
For that day.
Grandma, grandpa.
It's just sweet.
You're so sweet.
You hugs.
Give you.
Yes. Kiss
When
when
we meet, so sweet. So sweet of you, Ananya. Thank you so much. Mahini, will you sing the rhyme?
மகி சிங் பண்ணு.
Mahini will sing.
சொல்லுங்க மம்மி.
Mummy, daddy, come on.
இப்ப பாடுனீங்கல்ல?
Come on, mummy, daddy, I love you.
பாடு.
Like this only we cried on the day while singing. No. I've got 2 chocolates. I'm going to give Marilyn 2 chocolates. Come on. Mummy, daddy.
பாடு பாடு பாடு.
You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you a hug and give you kisses when we meet. Yes? Well done. Okay, Mahilini, I will not disturb you, but you have to calm down, okay? You're a good girl, no? Should not cry. Okay, children, next time is 2 little eyes. 2 little eyes to look around. 2 little ears to hear the sound. 1 little nose to smell what's sweet. 1 little mouth that loves to eat. Yes, another senses rhyme ma'am is going to teach you. Listen carefully with the actions, okay? I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that help me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. This is in your rhymes book, children. 5 senses rhyme. Okay? I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that help me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. Yes, this is the new rhyme. We'll learn it, okay? And now next part is the phonic rhyme. Come on, phonic rhyme. Are you all ready to do the action? Yes, first A. For A, what action will you do? A. Who knows the rhyme for A? Can anybody sing the rhyme for A? Yes, Dashwan. Yeah, Dashwan is singing for A. Yes, Dashwan, come on. A. Loudly. They are causing me alarm. Okay. And next letter is B. Mahilini, sing for B. Mahilini.
Sound.
Svinya. To the park to play. But children, when I am asking someone, you should not interrupt in between. Let them finish. I'll give chance for everyone. Okay, Venla ma'am will give chance to everyone. But in between, when others or when your friends are singing, should not interrupt children. Okay, will you all do that for Vanilla ma'am? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you, ma'am Ailini. Next is C. Jason. C. Loudly.
Clicking cast and it's
Action. Action. Action.
இப்படி பண்ணு
We are clicking castanets. Okay. Next is D. D. Radhyani. D. Phonic rhyme for D. Who knows? Come on, Radhyani. D. Radhyani.
See me play upon my drum.
Next, you have to sing, Radhyani. Okay, Mama will not sing along with you. Okay, you have to sing boldly. Okay, why are you scared of ma'am? Ma'am, pata bayama irukka? Is it? See, Sugriv Gautam, he is pranking ma'am. Why are you so scared? Okay, next is E. Keshav. 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 Keshav is not there. Okay, and Visha. Visha.
அங்க பாருன்னு ஈக்கு என்ன ரைம்ஸ் பாரு ரைம்ஸ்
Va.
ஆன்சர் மேம் ஏய்
Answer me, Amma. E. Visha.
எக் வருமே என்ன பாட்டு பாடு
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack this. Crack the egg like this. Something is there in her hand. That's what she's distracted, I think. Yes, Visha? Okay, no problem. Don't give it to them. Parents, keep it aside. We'll conduct the activity. Mitra, next is F. You know the rhyme for F? Mitra knows F. Got a hold, the air came out. Very good, Mitra. Well done. Next is G. Sukhdev Gautam.
ஜி சொல்லுமா மேம் கேக்குறாங்க பாரு ஜி
Sukhdev Gautam.
look there supreet look there வா இத்தனை நேரம் பண்ணி
Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Everyone can sing for all the alphabet, but those who are masking only should unmute.
ஆடிட்டு வரலாம்
Sukhdev Gautam is not going to sing. Then no chocolate. Sukhdev Gautam's mom, don't give him chocolate today. He's not singing, no? No chocolate.
he'll sing
He'll sing, good boy. Come on, sing.
what song for G ma இங்க பாரு என்ன சாங் பாருங்க பாடுங்க ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணி காமிங்க மேம்க்கு
What a the sound that rain with a G. Very good. Chocolate works for Sukhdev Gautam very well. Okay, next is H. Thank you, Ma Sukhdev. Next is H. H. Yeah, Tarneshwar. H. I like to. Ha 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 ha. Very good. Thank you, Matarneshwar. Next is I. Who knows for I? Keshav. 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 Pinky the mouse is my pet. No. Phonic. Spell the ink and got wet. Mm. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Everyone do the action, children. Don't get distracted. I want all of you to do the action, though you are not unmuting yourself. Okay, come on, everyone, do the action. Next is J. J, who is going to sing for J? Let me see. Kavi Kartika. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Okay. Next is Madhvanti. Very good, huh? It's a flying in the sky. Sky, ka. Very good. Well done, Madhvanti. Good girl. Next is L. Vihan. L.
Action. Action.
Lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. Very good. Thank you, Ma. Next is M. Mahini M.
The mom and the dad make mayonnaise. The mom and the dad make mayonnaise.
Wow, very good, Mahilini. Next is N. Who knows for N? Mitra knows? N. Here the aeroplane. Who knows? Yes, Mitra. Here the aeroplane making lots of noise. Very good. Thank you, Mamitra. Next is O. Sukriv Gautam. O. Sukriv. O.
ஓகே என்ன பாட்டு வரும்? இல்ல பரவாயில்லை. திருப்பி பண்ணு மேம் போடுவாங்க.
What, ma?
He's saying he just sang.
Sukriv Gautam, ma'am கிட்ட சொல்லுங்க. What do you want? Ma'am கிட்ட சொல்லுங்க. என்ன வேணுமா? என்ன வேணும் சொல்லுங்க சுக்ரீவ். What? என்னாச்சு? Rhyme you want me to play, va? Okay, I'll play, no problem. Yeah, I'm going to play from O. What is there in that? You can very well ask me. Yeah, I'm going to play, children. From O we'll play, okay? 1 minute. Children, whatever you know, when you ask me only, I'll know, right? For that, why do you get so much tension and all?
மேம் உனக்காக பாட்டு போடுறாங்க பேபி. You should be happy, huh?
With Byju's app, children remember their concepts forever. Learning made interactive and engaging with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. Download now.
Puff the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Q sounds square. Next is R.
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Yes.
S என்ன பாட்டு?
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
T.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
U. Everyone do the action, children.
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, when it starts to rain.
V. Next is V.
Try big span round the village, try big span round the village, try big span round the village.
W. W.
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.
X. Sorry, X.
Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand.
Y.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yup, 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 yup.
Z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz like this?
Is now, come on, all of you take the calendar. What is the date today? Who knows? What is the date today? Today is Monday, July. Yes, what date is today? 1 to 12. Come on, color the date. 1 to 12. Fast, do it fast. Come on. Is ready? Finished, all of you? 1 to 12. Finished? Very good. Well done, children. Okay, now point out 1, 0, 10, all of you. Where is 1, 0, 10? Where is 1, 0, 10? Come on, point out the number 1, 0, 10 in your calendar. And next is 1, 1, 11. Where is 1, 1, 11? 1, 1, 11. Very good, Madhashwan. Next is 1 to 12, Monday. Where is the day written? Come on, show me in your calendar. Where is the day written? Monday. Straight up if you go, you can see. Wait, let me show you. See here. Today's date is 12, right? Yes, 1 to 12. If you go straight up here, you can see Monday, Monday. And tomorrow is Tuesday. Is over? Yeah, keep your calendar aside. Very good, everyone. Keep it aside. Children, we all learned numbers from 1 to 10. Right. Today we are going to learn group of 10. What is group of 10? We all know what is group. Yes? See, what is this, children? Come on, tell me, what is this? What is this? Anyone?
What is this?
Yes. You can unmute and answer, children. This is one pencil. Okay. And this one, is this one pencil? This is one pencil. This is one pencil. One pencil. Is this one pencil? This is one pencil. No. I have 10 pencils here. So this is called a group. Okay, here I have no one pencil, but this is only one. One pencil is not called a group. When all together we have total number, a group of objects, it is called as group. Okay, when we have 10 objects in that, it is called as group of 10. Shall we count the number of pencils here? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have group of 10 pencils. Okay? ஒரே ஒரு பென்சில் இருந்ததுன்னா அது group கிடையாது. That is not a group. மொத்தமா இருந்தாதான் that is a group. Okay? Now I have another group of 10. You want to see what is that? See here. Yes. See here. I have a group of 10 beads. Now, ma'am is going to count one by one. Shall we do it? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have group of 10 beads. Another one also I have. This is straws. Okay, this is straws, and this also I have group of 10. Shall we count the number of straws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have group of 10 straws here. Now you all have a material, right? You all have 10 materials in your hand. Group of 10, right? Now take it only one from that and keep it aside. Take one from that and keep it aside. Now tell me which is group and which is single. If you have one object, that is only single object. When you have group, nariya irundaduna, that is group. If you have only one, that is single. Now come on, show me your plate, which is single and which is group. Now first show me single. Single, whatever you have, single badam, single crayon, single sketch, single pencil, single tomato, whatever you have, you can show. Single means only one. Yeah, single color pencils, very good. Now group of 10 together. Group of 10 together. Yes, earbuds. Group of 10 earbuds. Group of 10 badam. Then group of 10 crayons. Group of 10. What is that, Ananya? What is that? Group of 10 na. What is that? Oh, that alphabet foam sheets. Okay, alphabet foam sheets. Very good. Then group of 10 tomatoes. Visha is having group of 10 tomatoes. Keshav is having group of 10 chocolates. Very good, Keshav. And then what is Kavikartika having? What is Kavikartika having? I can't see anything. Group of 10 pencils. Sugriv Gautam, very good. Dashwan is having group of 10. What is that, Madashwan? Cashew nut. Badam. Akruta badam. What is that? Okay. Badam. Okay, very good. And then Vihan is having crayons. What is Mahilini having? Toys. Yes. Toys you are having. Very good. Now shall we do our worksheet? Come on. Today's worksheet is worksheet number, let me see. D08MT. D08MT. Very beautiful doll, Mahilini. Just like you. Come on, take your worksheet. Children, write today's date. Today's date is 1/2/12 dash 7 dash 2121.
Page number, ma'am.
D08MT. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Write today's date, children. One, 2, 12 dash 7 dash 2, 1, 21. Yes, all of you have finished writing your date. Now listen carefully, children. Look at the screen, everyone. Look at the screen. First, you have these gift boxes, right? Now, first we are going to strike out 10 gift boxes, okay? First, strike out 10 gift boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have striked out 10 gift boxes. Yes, all of you look at the screen, children. Now next what we are going to do is, we are going to circle only the striked out one. எதெல்லாம் strike பண்ணிருக்கீங்களோ அதை மட்டும் circle பண்ணணும். எதெல்லாம் strike பண்ணலையோ அதை circle பண்ணவே கூடாது. Okay, like this you have to do. Whatever we have striked out, we are going to select and circle. Whatever we have not striked out, you should not circle together. Okay? Finished the first one. Only the striked out one you should circle, children. Not the one which is not striked out. See, extra we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. We only need group of 10. Only 10 we need. We don't want more than that. Next we have the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also the same way. Circle only the striked out one. That is only group of 10. We are separating these 10 birds into a group. Group of 10 birds. Group of 10 gift boxes. Next is group of 10 bells. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now circle only these 10 bells, okay? Striking out children you only should do, but circling part parents can guide them. Because they will not have control to draw such a big selecting part, right? You can guide them in circling that. But striking out only the child has to do. Let me know those who are finished. Finish? Slowly do it, children. Think and do. Who finished? Vihan, good. Now bring your slate, those are finished. Bring your slate. Yeah, those are finished. Bring your slate. Yes, bring your slate, those who are finished. Take your chalk piece. Today we are going to learn small alphabet A. Okay? Small alphabet A. Small letter A. A for aeroplane. A for astronaut. A for apron. A for ambulance. A for ant. A for ankle. A for anchor. And A for animals. And the phonic sound for A is A. Okay. Now shall we start writing small letter A? I want all of you to take your slate. Parents, I want you to write small letter A, big like this. First a curve, a big curve, go up, come in the same line, A. A big curve, go up, come in the same line, அதே லைன்ல கீழே வரணும், A and a curve. Parents, you please write big A and give it to them. Now, children, what you are going to do is, you are going to trace it with your pointer finger. Okay? Yeah, come on. Parents can write and give them A. Let them just trace with their pointer finger first. They need not write now. Yes, Mylene is dead. You can write A and give it to her.
She's not.
Parents, நீங்க எல்லாருமே A எழுதி கொடுங்க. First, they have to trace with the pointer finger. See here, like this, a curve, go up, come down. First, they should know the way how to write A. Then only we can proceed writing with pencil. Go up, Tarneshwar, wrong. That's what I said, don't write in slate, don't write with the chalk, with your pointer finger. See here, a curve, come like this, a curve, go up, come down in the same line, adhe line le keela varanum, and then a curve. Okay, very good, Radyarni. The same way you do with your pointer finger, no need to write with the chalk piece. You can do it with your pointer finger. Pointer finger alla pannunga ellarum. First A. See here, a big curve, go up, come down. This is going to be A. Very good, ma. Mitra, go up, come down. Adhe line le keela varanum, Mitra. Very good. Well done. Sukriv Gautam, where is your A? Did you write with your pointer finger? Very good, Vihan. Jason, good. Come on, show me, ma'am. Sukriv Gautam, let me see how you are writing with your pointer finger. A curve first, then go up, மேல போணும், மறுபடியும் அதே லைன்ல கீழே வரணும். A. The same way only we'll write in worksheet also. No, ma. Correct. Very good. No going back. Sukriv, back போகக்கூடாது. Only one time. Very good, Tarneshwar. Yeah. One more time, children. Try one more time. Try one more time. One more time. A curve. Concentrate, children. Don't be playful. Come on. Go up. Come down. And a small curve. Very good, Tarneshwar, Radyarni, Mitra. Very good. Now you can start writing. Overwrite. Take your chalk piece and overwrite on it. Take your chalk piece. Amma எழுதி கொடுத்த A மேலே எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். A curve, go up, come down, and a curve.
Madhuvanti finished, ma'am.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Well done. Good. Go up, come down. Hold her hand, Hazel's mom. Can hold her hand for 2 times. A curve, go up, come down. Hey. Yes, very good, Mitra. Sri Ananya, kai edukama eludunum kanna. Come on, don't take your hand out. Without taking your hand out, you have to write. Very good, Mavisha. Now take your worksheet. Worksheet is D06LT. D06LT. Yes? Alligator. Come on, look at the screen, children. You have alligator page with you, right? D06LT. Here you are going to trace with your pointer finger first from number 1. From number 1. See here, number 1 is here, right? Pointer finger vachi pannanum ellarum. Ma'am is doing with here like this, but you have to do it with your pointer finger like this. See here, a curve. Go up. Come down in the same line, A. Okay? First a curve. Go up. Come down in the same line. A. You have 5 blanks here, right? In that blanks, you finish it. Come on. Everyone have blank below that letter? Everyone is having? Figure a curve. Go up, come down. A. Go up, come down. A. Curve, go up, come down. Many of you will write like this curve போட்டு ஒரு standing line போட்டா இது A. It is not like that. That is wrong. You have to write like this only. A curve, go up, come down. அதே லைன்ல கீழே வரணும். Because in future in senior KG, when you are trying to write in cursive handwriting, this way will not help you. Children இப்படி எழுதவே கூடாது. Curve போட்டு ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் போட்டுடலாம். அதான் A. அப்படி போடவே கூடாது. This is wrong. This is wrong. Totally wrong. How you will write? You will draw a curve, go up, and then come in the same line. கை எடுக்காம எழுதணும். It will be little bit difficult only, but children இது மாதிரி தான் பழகணும். You should practice like this only. In future, when you are writing cursive handwriting, at that time you cannot take out your hand. Without taking your hand only, you should write cursive writing and all. So now itself you get practice to that. Finish. Very good, Visha. Then parents, this will be today's homework. Parents, all of you please note it down. This will be today's homework. D06LT, another page you will have next to that page. Capital A and small a. They just have to trace it. That's enough. All the letters are given in dots here. So let them trace it. This will be today's homework. Capital A and small a. And the worksheet number is D06LT. You can note it down. Just mark as homework on top like this. HW. Already it's given. You can mark it also. This will be today's homework. Parents, how much you are encouraging your child to do the homework, it will help them in their writing process. If they are not doing also, bribe them. ஏதாவது சொல்லி எழுத வைங்க. Otherwise, it will be very difficult since this is online classes. They don't have more writing practice and all. If they are hesitating also, நான் எழுத மாட்டேன்னு சொன்னா கூட எப்படியாவது ஏதாவது சொல்லி எழுத வைங்க. Even Friday I gave homework. Even few of you didn't had send your homework. That was just drawing circles. That is not that much big enough important. But this is very important. So please, please, please ask your child to finish. And everyone please finish it and send it today itself. Okay? Have you all noted it down? A? Very good, children. Yeah, very good. Homework, please do it after the session. Don't do it in the session. Very good, Makesh. All of you lift your book and show it to me. That A page, 5 blanks we had, no? That alligator page. Sukhrev Gautam, let me see your alligator page. Yeah, very good, Makeshav. Keshav, good. Visha, good. Jason, very good. Bihan, good. Hazel, finish. Finish, Sukhrev Gautam. Taruneshwar, good. Sukhrev Gautam, little bit closer. Let me see how we have written. Very good, Sukhrev Gautam. Sukhrev's mom, give him a chocolate, okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure. I'm giving daily.
Daily itself we are giving, See, very good, mummy.
Yeah, say that you had couriered him and he'll be happy and he'll start writing.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, children. Everyone have done very well. Thank you so much. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, children. Everyone must do your homework. Don't forget your homework. Yeah, bye everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Kana. Bye, Hazel. Bye, Radyani. Bye, Mitra. Bye, Hazel. Bye, Ananya. Bye, Taruneshwar. Bye, Disha. Yeah, bye, Kavi Kartika. Bye.